In this video clip, we'll consider differentiation from first principles. Let y equal fx. The derivative of fx, written as f dash of x, is defined to be f dash of x is equal to the limit as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus fx all divided by h. But what does that actually mean? Well, we define the gradient of a curve at a particular point to be the gradient of the tangent at that point. And the way we work our way towards that is by considering a chord of the curve as shown in the diagram. So we take a general point on the curve, x, fx, and we move along a little distance, h, and we evaluate the function again. So we've got another point on the curve, the x coordinate is x plus h, the y coordinate is f of x plus h. And the gradient of that chord is the vertical change divided by the horizontal change, and so that's where the f of x plus h minus fx comes in, divided by the h. So let's look at an example. Let y equal x to the power 4. So we need to start using the notation fx, so fx is equal to x to the power 4. What about f of x plus h? Well, that will be x plus h to the power 4. Now we need to expand that, and if I just remind you of Pascal's triangle 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1, that's the one for the power 4. This would be x to the power 4 plus 4x cubed h plus 6 x squared h squared plus 4 x h cubed plus 1 h to the power 4. So now I'm in a position to find the derivative. I can say that f dash of x is equal to the limit as h tends to 0, and we'll keep this in a square bracket. It's f of x plus h, which is x to the 4 plus 4x cubed h plus 6x squared h squared plus 4xh cubed plus h to the 4. Right, that's f of x plus h. Now I need to subtract f of x, which is x to the 4. And then finally I need to divide that by h. That's the gradient of the chord, and as h tends to 0 it will approach the gradient of the tangent. Now simplifying, the first thing I can do is I've got an x to the power 4 at the front minus an x to the power 4 at the back. They cancel. Now this top line divided by h. 4x cubed h divided by h is 4x cubed. 6x squared h squared divided by h is plus 6x squared h. 4xh cubed divided by h is 4xh squared, and finally h to the power 4 divided by h is h cubed. And now we let h approach 0, and when h becomes 0 we've got 4x cubed plus 0 because we're multiplying by h, plus 0 again because we're multiplying by h squared, and h cubed, 0 cubed is 0. And so we can finish this by saying f dash of x, the derivative of this function, is given by 4x cubed. So the derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cubed.